Hey, we're back here with another live video here today on Instagram. And if you are watching this live on replay, I want to say hello. Yes, my name is Israel from IsraelNavarro.com. And I'm going to talk to you today about the benefits of drinking coffee, working out, and swearing. Yes, 3 things you think that may not benefit you, but I'm going to tell you, yes, it does have benefits. So, why am I talking about this stuff? Well, I think health is important. I think people should be aware about things, and people should feel a little bit more encouraged, because I've been seeing this thing of don't drink coffee and work out. That is the biggest hogwash I've heard in all day. Why do I say this? Because believe it or not, caffeine is one of the most common ingredients in weight loss supplements. Why do they use caffeine, right? That is the question. Why are they going to use caffeine, and what is the benefit? Well, here's the cool thing, and this is something you should know, is that while it is one of the most common ingredients in your health supplements for weight loss, it is also one, obviously, in the morning. It obviously gives you energy, gives you a lot of things. We know all that side of the energy thing that caffeine gives. But when you do it 30 minutes before working out, the caffeine is going to help you burn 30% of that stored fat that you have in your body. So I don't know who's here watching this and want to start losing some fat, but if you were to drink, let's say if you go to the gym at least 4 times a week, and 30 minutes before you go working out, you drink that caffeine, or you take a caffeine supplement, you will start to burn fat when you start working out. So that is one of the key benefits of protein. There's a lot about scientific facts, but I'm not going to dive in. Now, why does that also benefit working out? Well, you're going to have energy. And guess what? You need energy if you're going to build muscle or you're going to burn fat. That is simple. It doesn't matter if you're doing powerlifting, bodybuilding, cardio, aerobics, yoga, whatever you want to call it, whatever is your style of working out, that's going to help you burn that fat that you want to burn. That's going to help you have energy during your workout. Yes, sure, you can take your amino acids, you can take other supplements during your working out, but just think that through. You can actually be working out, burning the fat because you drank your caffeine. And why is it, and just to close this video off, why is swearing such a cool thing? Well, obviously we know the coffee, obviously it's going to keep you awake, it's going to help you burn fat, but here's another thing, working out is going to make you feel great, it's going to give you but swearing is now what I want to say, like a short, brief mental health thing. Sometimes it's good just to drop that F-bomb, to say whatever you want to say. Now, I am not saying it, say directly to a person, don't call, for those who are in here, don't call someone derogatory or anything, but if it's a way for you to release it, do it. I understand there's people who don't want to. I'm not saying you have to curse for every 2 seconds, but what I am saying, if there's a moment you're frustrated, you're angry, you're like, let it go. It's better to let go. And if it slips, but it's good. One of the benefits I actually learned about this, and I don't know how true is this, but they do say the most intellectual people in the world have the most dirtiest mouth in the world. I don't know if it's a bunch of hogwash, but that is what they say. So if you are debating this, you are wondering what it is, well, these are some benefits that you have. The coffee is going to benefit you with working out, and cursing is going to help you release all that energy that you did not release while you were working out. So these 3 things work a perfect life balance for you guys. And I'm going to close this video by saying, if you guys have actually noticed coffee helps you before working out, let me know in the comment section below. Working out's great, let me know. Swearing's great, let me know. Just let me know in the comment section below. And I will close with this. I understand there's people who are frustrated and they're like, beep, 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 with their job. If you want to learn how to grow a business here on Instagram or any social media platform, on the comment section below or in the link in my bio, you can go in, click there, sign up, get your name and email, and you'll start getting my ebook showing you how you can start your business on social media. So thank you so much. Thank you for joining me on this fun video. Hope to see you guys tomorrow.